Welcome to our channel. Today we have something truly special for you that will change the way you look at fruits forever. We're going to dive into the world of grapefruit, the superfruit that holds the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our amazing content. Now, let's get juicing. Picture this, a burst of tangy goodness in every bite. Grapefruit is not just another citrus fruit. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your body craves, from vitamin C to potassium. This fruit has it all. So if you want to boost your nutrient intake, grapefruit is your go-to hero. Feeling under the weather? Say hello to your new best friend. Grapefruit loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. This incredible fruit is a natural immune booster. It helps your immune cells become superheroes, ready to defend your body against those pesky germs. Stay healthy all year round with grapefruit on your side. Your heart deserves all the love, and grapefruit is here to shower it with care. Potassium is the heart's best buddy. And guess what? Grapefruit is loaded with this essential mineral. Keeping your blood pressure in check and your heart happy is as simple as including grapefruit in your diet. Your heart will thank you for it. Are you on a weight loss journey? Grapefruit is the secret weapon you need. Studies have shown that this citrus gem can help support weight management efforts. It's like having a personal trainer by your side, helping you shed those unwanted pounds. But remember, it's not a magic pill. Combine it with a balanced diet and regular exercise for maximum impact. A happy tummy is a happy you, and grapefruit is here to make that happen. Thanks to its fiber content, grapefruit can do wonders for your digestive health. It keeps things moving smoothly, preventing any digestive woes from ruining your day. Embrace the grapefruit goodness for a healthier gut. Let's address the elephant in the room, the grapefruit and medication myth. You might have heard rumors about grapefruit interfering with certain medications. Well, we've got the facts straight. While it's true for a few medications, it's not the case for all. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Safety first, folks. And that brings us to the end of this juicy journey through the world of grapefruit. We hope you're as excited as we are about incorporating this fantastic fruit into your life. Remember, grapefruit is not just a fruit, it's a ticket to a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more amazing content like this. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining bright.